What it do, boys and girls? In this video today, I will be teaching you how to sort of factory lace the extra shoelaces that Nike SB Dunks give you, Jordan 1s give you, any other Nike shoe that gives you something like this. Alright? Alright, let's get it. Wait, hold on. That was the wrong intro. That was for my gaming channel, so I forgot I don't have an intro for this channel yet. Anyways, Nike SB Dunks have been gaining a lot of traction lately. It's been getting a lot of hype. Jordan 1s as well because of the Last Dance documentary. So I tried to search if there was a tutorial on how to factory lace the extra shoelaces that they give you with those shoes. And I couldn't find anything actually. So I tried to do it myself and I think I did a pretty good job. So with the help of my dad, actually, he taught me how. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do it, here we go. Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry for the grainy footage. Moving on. First you want to do is you combine both shoelaces together. Now what I do here is I get both aglets, shout out Phineas and Ferb, and then I get the opposite sides of the aglets, then I pull the shoelaces in order for them to be equal. Next step you guys want to do is grab both ends and form a letter U shape. Grab the end part and fold it until around maybe the halfway area. Now you guys gotta pay attention for this next step because this part is crucial. Now when you reach the halfway point, leave one of the 4 tips dangling before you fold the other 3 tips. The last part of this step is you need to fold the 3 tips to the what I call the body of the shoelaces. We're almost done, so... Guys, remember that tip we left dangling? Well, this last step we will use it as the one who ties everything up. Then what you want to do to the excess of that tip, you insert it to what I call the mob ties, or maybe the ropes in the middle, I don't know, whatever. Okay guys, last step. It's the cleanup step. Those 3 tips left behind, what you want to do to it is you insert it to the opposite side of the mob ties. As I show here, I placed one, and then I place another one, and then the other one. There you have it! Factory laced extra shoelaces of the Nike SB Dunk. Hi guys, disclaimer, the video on your screen right now might differ from what I really did because I did multiple tries on it, and yeah, practice makes perfect, so just keep on practicing and you're gonna get it soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if this was a helpful video. Comment down below if you have any more questions about the shoelaces, of course. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Press the like if this helped you. Subscribe to me or not if you don't want to. I can't force you, so. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.